Congratulations,
Maiwanag ka.
Coach Luigi, on getting back to the winning column. Today is also Jordan Bernardo's first outing here in the PBA. What was his most memorable contribution that he had in your victory today?
Just everything. I think, coming into a situation like that, it's very hard for Jordan because it's his first game back. He's been out of his rhythm, but I thought he made a lot of big shots down the stretch. And, he's a warrior. He likes to take up the challenge. When he had 5 fouls, he wanted to guard the import on the other side. But the one thing I noticed with him is he brings a lot of dimension to his game. They put the ball on the floor, in three. We become a quicker team, right? So Hester and him both good, just different players all around.
Thank you, Coach Luigi. Now we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press.
Good evening. Coach, medyo tinagahan na kayo kanina when you got hurt sa early in the court when it goes to the strength.
Yeah, parang nakahawak siya sa tuhod niya eh. So, and then I think when they saw the slow-mo, I think his ankle buckled a bit. But, thank God it wasn't anything serious. There's been so many injuries that's been happening the past few games, right? We're not about injuries. So we can't help. So, he's okay.
Jordan, congratulations. Strong debut, but there was quite a scare early in the fourth quarter.
I'd just like to thank the team for believing in me. It's been hard and tough for us these past couple weeks, but we're continuing to fight, and I was a little bit scared, but I'm okay. Just my knee broke a little bit, so it'll be hard.
Then you did some sit-ups and went up the floor.
Yeah.
Coach, siyempre si Esak import nyo, but how was he recovering during period na si Esther import nyo?
Yeah, Hess is a professional. He got a ball. I don't think he's really been playing for a while, but he knows the situation, and he held his ground. I mean, it was unfortunate. Jordan got injured right at the start. I thought we pulled one against Phoenix. It came down to the last possession, and then Hess came in and did a very decent job. Right? If you look at it, if we had won the Phoenix and maybe the Rainer Shine game, we would have been 4-2. And now 5-2, but those games are tough. The key for us right now, I thought Coach Nenad also came out and really challenged these guys to realize that if we lose, our season's done. And these guys clean it up. We remind them things, but at the end of the day, these guys, they're vets out there. Ken, Lou, Elaine, Bong, so they talked out what to do. So. And then Coach Nenad also said that we need a whole bench. Like the last few games, we could feel that we were losing the rebounds. This is a game where we needed everybody. So maganda na even our bench can see we were all involved.
Coach, just a follow-up on that kasi like si Bong kasi the past game struggling tapos even for a time, how happy are you na they're able to regain yung kanilang offense?
Well, we know what the capability of Bong and Lou is, but games like this, you need them 1 point. What I mean by 1 point, even if they're missing shots, but you see they're active, they're in it. That's what you want, right? So I thought in the fourth quarter when they went to the zone, we held the ball a little bit too much. When we kind of settled down and we got a little bit of movement and we found a mismatch, we were better. But again, I think this game was about defense. Led by this guy right here, Jordan, was every time in the timeout he's saying stuff. At the half he was saying stuff. Before our game he was saying stuff. And I think the guys responded because to beat Ginebra, our last few games, you look at the times we faced Ginebra, we didn't do well defensively. So maganda na we came up and you don't limit Ginebra to 88 points most of the time.
Jordan, how happy are you that you're able to contribute, especially those big shots in the fourth quarter, especially this is a game that you really need to win to keep your player hopes alive?
To be honest, I'm just happy to be out there on court. I haven't played since
press conference. Thank you and congratulations once again to the Meralco Bulls.
Salamat.
Thank you po.